Good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying good health. Welcome to the computer class of 3rd standard. In the previous session, I have discussed the topics: what is Tux Paint, advantages of Tux Paint, how to start Tux Paint, and the parts of Tux Paint screen. I hope you all have understood the topics. So today, I will discuss the further topics of Lesson 7, Introduction to Tux Paint, of pages 68, 69 and 70. Here we are going to discuss the topics: drawing in Tux Paint, how to save a drawing, how to open a saved file, and how to close Tux Paint window. The objective is to learn how to fill colors in the starter and to perform some basic operations like opening, saving and closing of Tux Paint. Before starting this, I would like to tell you the important terms of this topic. Our first term is starter, a ready-made outline of drawing. Second, save tool. Save tool is used to save a picture. Open tool. Open tool is used to open any saved picture. Now open page number 68 on your books. Here our first topic is drawing in Tux Paint, that is coloring a starter. First of all, let us learn the terms. What is starter? Starter is a ready-made outline of a drawing which can be filled with colors. Like you draw on your drawing books with pencil first of all, then you fill color in it. In similar way, the Tux Paint is having ready-made outlines of the drawing. The steps to open a starter are: click on New button, click on the drop-down arrow button, click on any starter and then click on Open button. Let us do it practically. First of all, you have to open the Tux Paint. Like you have studied earlier, click on Start button, click on All Programs, click on Tux Paint and then click on Tux Paint Full Screen. Now, how to open a starter? Click on New button. Then click on this drop down arrow that is of pink colored button on which a black headed arrow is there. Click on this arrow. Now you can see these are your starters, that is the ready-made outlines of the drawing. These are already built in the Tux Paint. We will click on any starter, then click on Open button. See, the starter is open. Now next is how to fill colors in the starter. Firstly, the steps to color a starter are: click on the magic tool from tools box, click on the fill option, click on any color from the color box and then click inside the starter. Let us do it practically. The starter that we have opened, we will color it using the fill tool. The fill tool is present in the toolbox under magic option. Click on the magic tool, then come to the option box side. Here you will find the fill tool. Click on the fill tool, then choose any color from here, color box, and start filling color according to your own choice. So see, we have colored the starter using different colors. In this way you can also fill the colors in the starter. Come to next topic. How to save a drawing in the Tux Paint. Save tool is used to save a picture. So the tool which is used to save the drawing in the Tux Paint is Save tool. You don't need to mention any name while saving your file. The Tux Paint will automatically save your file with the extension .png. Extension means whenever you will save your file, the program will automatically save it with this following extension. So what is the extension to save a drawing in TuxPaint? .png. And whenever you will save a drawing in the TuxPaint, you will see they are saved in the form of thumbnail. The thumbnail word means like you save pictures in your mobile phone. You click pictures and after saving it, while you find it in gallery, they are in the small view. That small view of saving a picture is the word known as thumbnail. So let us do it practically. See, we have made the starter. We will save it using the save tool. In the toolbox, you will find the save tool option. Click on the save tool and simply your drawing is saved. Now come to next topic. How to open a saved file. Open tool is used to open any saved picture. So here the question comes, which tool is used to open any saved picture? That is open tool. The steps to open a saved file are: click on open tool, click on the required image and then click on open button. See practically. I am closing this drawing. Now I will again open this saved drawing. You have to click on Start button, All Programs, TuxPaint, TuxPaint Full Screen. Now we will open our saved file. To open any saved file, from the toolbox you have to click on Open Tool. See here, Open Tool is there. Click on Open Tool. You will see the thumbnail view of all the pictures. So we have made this picture. We will click on this picture and then the picture is opened. Come to next topic on page number 70. How to close the TuxPaint. To close the TuxPaint window, click on Quit button on the toolbar. Look here. We have opened this drawing. Now we will close this TuxPaint window. Here you can see in the toolbox, Quit option is there. Simply click on the Quit option and then you will click on the tick box that is Yes, I am done and save it. In this way, you will close your Tux window. One help box is there where it is written, we can press Alt plus F4 keys from the keyboard to close TuxPaint window. This is the shortcut key to close the TuxPaint window. You can write down here cross question also that which is the shortcut key to close the TuxPaint window. Alt plus F4. We will do it practically also. We have opened the TuxPaint window. Now we will close it using keyboard. See, two keys we will use, Alt and F4. When I will press Alt and F4, you will see the dialog box is appeared and it is closed. So students, today I have discussed about the basic operations of TuxPaint, that is to color a starter, opening and saving and closing of TuxPaint. I hope it's clear to all of you and you are able to do the exercises part. I will discuss further new topics in the next session. Till that, you have to read pages 68, 69 and 70. Learn and write the important terms on the copy and do practice of your practicals on your computer that has been sent in Snap Homework. Thank you.